Handling an estate cleanout in Austin can feel like an overwhelming task. Whether you're clearing out a loved one's home after a passing, preparing to downsize, or simply organizing years of accumulated belongings, the process can quickly become physically and emotionally exhausting. Sorting through decades of memories, dealing with sentimental items, and removing unwanted possessions requires more than just a bit of elbow grease. It demands professional help. Here's why hiring a professional junk removal company for your estate cleanout in Austin is not only a smart choice but often the best one. Efficient and stress-free process. Estate cleanouts often involve tackling large amounts of clutter and junk. The sheer volume of items can be daunting, everything from furniture, appliances, clothes, books, to heirlooms and paperwork. Without professional assistance, this task can drag on for weeks, causing unnecessary stress and frustration. A professional junk removal company in Austin has the experience and tools to efficiently handle large-scale cleanouts. They know how to quickly and safely remove items, which means you'll save time and energy. You can focus on other important matters, like making decisions about the future of the property or spending time with family, while the experts take care of the physical work. Knowledge of proper disposal method. One of the most challenging aspects of an estate cleanout is figuring out how to dispose of items properly. Certain belongings may need to be donated, while others might require recycling or special disposal. Trying to figure out what can go to charity, what can be recycled, and what should be taken to a landfill can quickly become overwhelming. Professional junk removal services in Austin are well versed in proper disposal protocols. They will sort through the items, ensuring that everything is disposed of in an environmentally friendly and legal manner. For instance, many companies work with local charities to donate gently used items and recycle electronics, paper, and other recyclable materials, ensuring that the process is as eco-conscious as possible. Handling sentimental items with care. Estate cleanouts often come with emotional challenges, especially when you are sorting through a loved one's belongings. You may encounter precious keepsakes, photographs, or family heirlooms that require extra care and attention. While it's important to be respectful during the process, having a professional team handle the heavy lifting and removal of non-sentimental items can give you the space to focus on what truly matters. A junk removal team can carefully sort through the property, helping you identify which items should be kept and which can be removed, without rushing you through difficult decisions. They can even assist with packing up special items to be stored or passed down to family members, ensuring that everything that's important to you stays safe. Safety and liability protection. An estate cleanout often involves lifting heavy furniture, broken items, and even hazardous materials like old cleaning supplies or chemicals. Handling these items improperly could lead to injury or damage. Attempting to do everything on your own could put you at risk for accidents or liability issues. Professional junk removal services in Austin have trained teams who are experienced in handling heavy and potentially dangerous items. They are equipped with the right tools and safety gear to manage any challenges that arise during the cleanout. Additionally, Many junk removal companies are insured, which protects you from liability should any accidents or damage occur during the process. Property cleanliness and presentation. If you are preparing to sell or rent out an estate property in Austin, presenting it in the best possible condition is key to attracting potential buyers. A cluttered and messy home can significantly lower its appeal. Whether you are cleaning out an estate after a loved one's passing or simply decluttering, removing unwanted items is crucial to showcasing the home's true potential. A professional junk removal service can not only clean out the estate but also ensure the property is left in good condition, removing debris and leaving the space ready for the next phase, whether that be selling, renting, or moving in. The removal team will efficiently clear the space, leaving behind a clean and welcoming environment. Cost-effective and convenient. While it may seem like hiring professionals could be an expensive option, it is often more cost-effective than attempting to handle the job yourself. Professional junk removal companies charge competitive rates and can often complete the job in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it on your own. When you factor in the costs of renting a truck, buying packing materials, paying for disposal fees, and the time spent, hiring professionals becomes an attractive and affordable option. Moreover, many junk removal services offer flexible scheduling, so you don't have to take time off work or rearrange your life to accommodate the cleanout. You can schedule the removal at a time that's convenient for you, and the job will be done on your terms. Conclusion. Estate cleanouts in Austin can be an emotional and physically demanding process, but with the help of professional junk removal services, you can make the experience much smoother and less stressful. From efficiently sorting and removing unwanted items to ensuring everything is disposed of properly, a professional team can take a huge load off your shoulders. They will handle the heavy lifting, care for your sentimental items, and leave your property clean and ready for the next chapter. Whether you're clearing out an estate after a loss, preparing to sell a home, or simply looking to declutter, professional junk removal is a valuable investment that will save you time, money, and stress.